There are moments in life when everything becomes quiet. It's not because the world stopped, but because your heart is trying to speak. As 2026 approaches, many of us are carrying unanswered questions, buried doubts, and silent fears we never put into words. In Japanese philosophy, this moment is called ma, the meaningful silence, the space between one breath and the next. It teaches us that reinvention doesn't begin with action, it begins with awareness. To reinvent yourself, you must first sit with your truth, listen to your inner voice, and admit to yourself that you want something more, something deeper, something that feels alive. This is the gentle awakening, the moment your soul finally whispers, "It's time." But listening to that whisper requires courage. You might feel lost, uncertain, or afraid of disappointing others. Yet remember, every transformation begins exactly here, in uncertainty. When you allow yourself to pause, when you stop running from your own thoughts, you create space for clarity to enter. The Japanese believe that understanding yourself is an act of honor. You owe it to yourself to slow down, breathe, and let your heart realign. As you step into 2026, honor this beginning. Reinvention isn't a storm, it is a sunrise. Ikigai is more than a philosophy. It is a feeling, a deep sense of meaning that makes each morning worth waking up to. Many of us live life caught between responsibilities and expectations, forgetting to ask a simple question: what makes my life feel meaningful? Ikigai teaches us that purpose isn't found in big achievements, but in the small moments that make you feel alive. Helping someone, learning something, solving a problem, creating beauty, or simply being present. When you discover what gives your life meaning, direction begins to form naturally, like a compass that always points to your true north. If you feel like you've been drifting, 2026 is your opportunity to reconnect with that purpose. Think about the things that make time disappear for you, the activities that spark curiosity, the work that makes you feel useful. These are clues, breadcrumbs leading you back to your center. You don't need to figure out your entire life today. You only need to take one honest step toward what feels real. That's the beauty of Ikigai. It doesn't demand perfection. It asks for sincerity. Follow what warms your heart, and your life will slowly begin to unfold in the direction of meaning. Reinventing yourself doesn't happen overnight. It happens through Kaizen, the Japanese practice of continuous, gentle improvement. It is the art of taking one small step every day, even when you feel tired, even when progress feels invisible. Many people fail not because they're incapable, but because they try to change everything at once. Kaizen shows us a kinder path. It reminds us that tiny habits can create extraordinary transformations. One new action, one new choice, one new belief. This is how real change begins. Think about who you want to become in 2026. More confident? More disciplined? More peaceful? You don't need a dramatic overhaul. You need one small, consistent movement in the right direction. 5 minutes of reading, a 2-minute stretch, one honest conversation, one moment of gratitude. Over time, these small shifts create a momentum that cannot be stopped. Kaizen teaches us that you are allowed to be a work in progress. You are allowed to evolve gently. Reinvention is not a race, it is a rhythm, and your rhythm is enough. There is a Japanese art called Kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired using gold. Instead of hiding the cracks, they highlight them, turning damage into beauty, pain into history, and imperfection into strength. This is the heart of reinvention. Before you can build a new version of yourself, you must learn to embrace the parts of your past you once tried to hide. Your mistakes, your heartbreaks, your failures. These aren't shameful. They're chapters of your becoming. They're the proof that you endured. As you walk into 2026, don't carry regret like a burden. Carry it like gold running through your cracks. You are not broken. You are rebuilt. You are not weak. You are wiser. Let every painful memory become something that empowers you. Let every difficult lesson sharpen your awareness. Reinvention isn't about erasing the past. It's about reshaping it so it becomes part of your strength. You are the art. You are the gold. You are the masterpiece forged through resilience. Shoshin, the beginner's mind, invites us to approach life with curiosity instead of judgment. When we grow older, we often stop exploring. We become rigid, cautious, afraid of trying new things. But reinvention requires openness. To step into a better version of yourself, You must be willing to release old beliefs and see life with fresh eyes. Imagine waking up in 2026 with the mindset of a beginner, willing to try, willing to learn, willing to fail gracefully. Imagine the opportunities you would notice, the doors you would walk through, the courage you would rediscover. Beginner's mind removes the weight of expectations, gives you permission to start again without shame. When you adopt Shoshin, you stop comparing yourself to others and start comparing yourself to who you were yesterday. You become lighter, more flexible, more willing to grow. Reinvention isn't just about doing better, it's about seeing better. The world opens to those who open themselves. Let 2026 be the year you look at life with wonder again. There is a Japanese word hikari, which means light. Reinvention isn't just about changing habits or routines. It's about becoming a light for yourself. A light that guides you through uncertainty. A light that reminds you of your worth when you feel lost. A light that helps you stand back up when life tries to dim your spirit. As you prepare for 2026, understand this. You already have the strength you're looking for. You already have the potential you're chasing. Sometimes, you just need someone to remind you of the brilliance inside you. The future doesn't ask you to be fearless. It asks you to walk forward, even when your heart trembles. It asks you to trust yourself, even when the path is unclear. Carry your lessons, your dreams, your quiet hopes, and let them illuminate your next steps. Reinvention is not a destination. It's a journey of courage, acceptance, and self-belief. As you enter 2026, don't just follow the light, become the light.